Well, Eric, I saw your how-to video on how to change a dryer belt. As you can see here, I have a Maytag dryer. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to change the dryer belt. Now mine's a front loader, so it's not as easy as to do as yours. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to pick up the telephone, then I'm going to dial. Hello? May I speak with the Maytag repairman, please?
Bubba, service phone's ringing. Bubba,
What?
answer the phone!
God dang it. Thank you for calling Maytag, home of the leading Maytag sales and representative department. This is Bubba speaking. How may I help you? You got a what? Who is this? Load what? What's the problem? A dryer belt. We don't do dryer belts. That's on page 6. Call Joe Hanson 99.